I'm Maria. I work at Social Location Product Marketing for Nokia. We are today here at Wear 2.0 conference at San Jose at the Fairmont Hotel, and this is Jörg, my colleague.
Hi, I'm Jörg. I'm responsible for the OV Maps program in the web, maps.ov.com, and we've got a couple of new things to tell you. First of all, you can enter maps.ov.com and come directly to the Maps experience without downloading any software. Second, you can use a lot of very fancy features. For example, you can see the 3D landmarks here. You can change the modus of the map. And what you can also do is you can create a route. So you can get to a certain point, edit a route, go to the next point, add this to route, then it calculates a route. You can see it here. And what you can do, you can synchronize this route with your device. And that's something for Maria.
What's really unique to OV Maps on the web and on mobile device is the synchronization. So when you assign it with your OV account on maps.ov.com and also on Maps on your mobile device, you can synchronize your favorite places and routes, and that's what we have just done here with Jörg. So we have synchronized a couple of our favorite places here in San Jose and a walking route from Fairmont Hotel, that's where we are at the moment, to a nearby Starbucks. And let me now show you a simulation of walk navigation on this N97 right here. So it shows us basically that we are at the Fairmont Hotel. It also shows this really beautiful 3D landmark. It also tracks our current speed, the distance to this Starbucks, and also the time when we arrive. So let me close here, and shall we now walk?
Well, if you pay.
Yeah, coffee's
Okay.
on me.
Let's go.